Sex is a topic that has fascinated humans for centuries. It is a fundamental aspect of human nature and plays a crucial role in your relationships or in our relationships, emotions, and overall well-being. In this video, I'm going to explore on the 5 interesting psychological facts about sex that you may not have known. Number 1 on the list is the power of oxytocin. Oxytocin, often referred to as the love hormone, is a powerful neurotransmitter that plays a crucial role in sexual arousal and bonding. When we engage in sexual activity, our bodies releases oxytocin, which helps to create feelings of trust, intimacy, and connections with our partner. This hormone is also released during childbirth and breastfeeding, further strengthening the bond between mother and child. Studies have shown that higher levels of oxytocin are associated with increased feelings of love and attachment, making it a key player in the complex world of human relationships. Now, number 2 on the list is the role of dopamine. Now, dopamine is another neurotransmitter that plays a significant role in sexual arousal and pleasure. When we engage in sexual activity, our brains release dopamine, which is responsible for the feelings of pleasure and reward that we experience. This neurotransmitter is also involved in other pleasurable activities such as eating delicious food or engaging in exciting experiences. Now, dopamine is often referred to as the feel-good hormone, as it is responsible for the euphoric feelings that accompany sexual arousal. This is why sex can be so addictive, as our brains become conditioned to seek out the pleasure that dopamine provides. Now, number 3 on my list is called the impact of pornography. The widespread availability of pornography has had a significant impact on our perceptions of sex and relationships. Now, exposure to pornography can lead to unrealistic expectations about sex, body image issues, and relationship problems. Pornography often portrays sex in a highly unrealistic and exaggerated manner, leading viewers to believe that certain acts or behaviors are normal or expected in a sexual relationship. But I will tell you, it's no. They are all fictions. This can create feelings of inadequacy or dissatisfaction in real life. Sexual encounters, as individuals may feel pressure to live up to the unrealistic standards set by the pornography, it is important to be mindful of the potential negative effects of pornography on our perceptions of sex and relationship, and to seek our healthy and realistic sources of information about sexuality. Now, number 4 on the list is the influence of culture. Our culture beliefs and values play a significant role in shaping our attitudes towards sex and sexuality. Different cultures have varying norms and expectations when it comes to sexual behavior, relationships, and gender roles. These cultural influences can impact how we view sex, express our desires, and navigate intimate relationships. For example, some cultures may have more conservative attitudes towards sex, while others may be more open and accepting of diverse sexual practices. The influence of culture and cultural beliefs. Our cultural beliefs and values play a significant role in shaping our attitudes towards sex and sexuality. Different cultures have varying norms and expectations when it comes to sexual behavior, relationships, and gender roles. These cultural influences can impact how we view sex, how we express our desire, and navigate intimate relationship. Now, for example, some cultures may have more conservative attitudes towards sex, while others may be more open and accepting of diverse sexual practices. It is important to be aware of the cultural influences that shape our beliefs and attitudes towards sex, and open to engage towards sex and to engage in open and honest conversations about sexuality in order to foster healthy and fulfilling relationships. Now, number 5 on the list is the connection between sex and mental health. Sex has been shown to have a significant impact on our mental health and well-being. Engaging in regular sexual activity can lead to improved mood, reduce stress levels, and increase feelings of happiness and satisfaction. It's due in part to release of neurotransmitters such as oxytocin and dopamine, which help to regulate our emotions and create feelings of pleasure and connections. Additionally, sexual activity has been linked to improve self-esteem, better sleep quality, and reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. It is important to prioritize our sexual health and well-being, a healthy and balanced mental state. Now, in conclusion, sex is a complex and multifaceted aspect of human nature that plays a crucial role in our relationships, our emotions, and overall well-being. By understanding these 5 psychological facts about sex that you didn't know before, I believe now you know. My name, once again, is Olopahine, and here is Olopahine TV. And if in case today is the first time of watching my video, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification buttons for more relationship content like this. I'll see you in my next video.